Good morning, children. Myself name P.S. Tiwari from LP Savani Vidya Bhavan. We will continue with the subject OC, Organization of Commerce. Let's start. Yes, children. So we are starting up with the other topic, that is postal service. Postal service play an important role in the written information and communication. By this you can communicate with each other in written way. Fine. Like in formal way. It is essential to pass on information from one place to another speedily and without interruption. That means speedily you can pass the information from one place to another without interruption. Then the Indian Postal Department has been providing information and communication service for more than 150 years. The Indian Postal Department providing the information and communication service for more than 150 years. This I will ask for 1 marks. Then it has got license to provide banking services and hence it acts as a bank to its customer. So they are providing the service just like in banking service, so that is why they can enroll or act as a bank to their customer. There are more than 1,50,000 post office in India. Out of it, almost 90% are set up in rural area. That means, see, 1,50,000 post office were there in the India. Out of that, 90% we are setting up in the rural area. That means it is helping for rural people, those who require the services like that. Fine. So the information and communication services they are providing more than 150 years. And how many postal offices are there in India? 1,50,000. Among that, 90% were set up in rural area. So we have done with the postal service introduction. This is the actually introduction. Some of the more following services are there which is providing by the postal service. Let's see which are they. So children, here is the following service which are providing by the postal service. Fine. 15s are there. Okay. Let's see. Journal post and letters. Bacha, this is from your page number 15. Your textbook page number 15. Fine. First one, journal post and letters. Second, registered post. Third, parcel service. Which kind of parcel? Value payable post. VPP. Value payable post. Might be it will ask for 1 marks even. Then fourth one, speed post, parcel, express parcel, saving services, recurring deposit, term deposit. Ninth one, national saving certificate, NSC. Then 10th one, Kisan Vikas Patra, KVP, Public Provident Fund, PPF, Postal Insurance. Then monthly income scheme, MIS, money order. Money order is the most important one, according to your textbook. Then the fifth one, other related service. Children, let's see this with the help of following pictures, and even I'm going to reflect the content from your textbook. It's a compulsion to take your textbook in your hand while you are looking after this video. Okay, so let's move on. Yes, children, here you can see the pictures of journal post and letters. You all have seen, might be. Then register post, parcel services, inside that value payable post. See, content is not reflecting in our image. Content is not reflecting. Why it is not reflecting? Because this is not from your textual content. So that is why I am not highlighting the things. But this point you can refer from your textbook page number 15, VPP. But obvious I will explain the same. But it's my request, don't look at the image. You refer VPP points from your textbook. It will be more preferable. Now I am reflecting the content for journal post and letter. Information and communication can be sent through postcard or letter, covers, etc. You can send you can send the information communication you can do with the help of sending some of the postcard, then letters which is covered, etc. You can see the image, then also you can understand. Then the second one, registered post. Postal Department provides services of registered post. Such posts are delivered by the Postal Department, for which the charges are more than the general post communication. See, if the sender of the post requires a proof in a form of signature of receiver, that is called acknowledgement, some extra charges will be have to pay. Fine. So the registered post and the general post are similar with each other. The general post and the registered post are similar with each other, but the only difference is there if you require the proof that receiver has received the particular goods or not, the acknowledgement, for the acknowledgement you can have a signature, and for that you will take extra charge, you have to pay the extra charge. Then the parcel services, all product other than those which is prohibited by law can be sent in a form of parcel from one place to other. Fine, you can send any of the product from one place to another, but which is not prohibited by law. If any product is prohibited by law, that you are not supposed to send by parcel service. Fine. Then if needed, insurance is taken for a parcel too. If you are required to take insurance for the parcel, that you can take too. Booking of the parcel can be done from any post office. You can book the parcel from any post office. Generally, the sender of the parcel pays fees to the post office. Generally, I am the sender, you are the receiver. I am sending goods to you, I am sending parcel to you. That means I have to pay the fees in post office. Whatever I am sending as a parcel, for that I have to pay the fees. Fine. Now, value payable post, that is VPP. Textual content, children. In parallel service, VPP is more popular. Actually, this is more popular. That is why I am highlighting again and again, because any producer or seller on receiving an order for a product sends a parcel through the postal department, and receivers of the parcel pays the parcel charges and also the price, which is pre-decided to the post office department, which in the turn is passed on to the sender. See, here I can like to give an example of Amazon, Flipkart, any online shopping center. You can take an example of VPP, value payable post. Inside that, this is more popular because when receiver receives the parcel, they have to pay the price for the product, which is pre-decided, because it is already mentioned. When you are ordering something, it is pre-decided ki your charges is 1000 and delivery charges 80 rupees. That means you have to pay 1080 rupees. Like that, it is pre-decided. Whatever receiver will pay the amount at the time of receiving the goods. Most probably you can take the example of VPP. At that time you can take an example of Amazon, Flipkart, etc. Fine. Speed post and parcel will discuss by next slide. Yes, children, here you can see the speed post parcel, express parcel, saving services, recurring deposit. Okay, see, express parcel, I have given two images to understand the concept. Recurring deposit, again I have given two particular images to understand the concept. Speed post, you can see the envelope, and the saving services will understand with the help of textual content. Now let's start with the speed post and parcel. The postal department guarantee to deliver the post or parcel within a stipulated time. That means whatever time is decided or whatever time is given by a postal service, within that duration they will deliver your goods within the place decided in India. But the place is also pre-decided, which is possibly probable available in India. That means in the boundary. Then the charges are higher for speed post, parcel, Then the general post and parcel, it can be also be insured if required. See, speed post and parcel may charge higher as compared with above discussed point, that is journal post, register post, parcel service, etc. Comparing to above point, the speed post parcel is will ask for higher charges, and if possible you can insure your product at the same point. You can insure your product at the same point. Then express charge. What is meant by express? Express means speed. Now, the service is available for both individual and business unit. Express parcel is sent very speedily within the prescribed time. Fine, within the prescribed time, which is limited. Then postal department send either through air or through any other fast route, because it's a speed parcel, so they can send the goods with the help of air route or other fast route if it is possible. Then the fees for this even higher than the speed post. Before this we have discussed the speed post, and express parcel is taking more charges, higher charges even as compared with speed post. So you can say that express parcel is charging more as compared with speed post, journal post, parcel service, register post, etc. Whatever we have discussed above, as compared with that, express parcel charges more. Then saving account. Saving account, meanwhile, postal department just like bank provide various type of saving scheme. Fine, postal department even they are introducing the saving services to their customer because they act like a bank. Now the service account is possible to them to open up. Now 5-year recurring deposit, term deposit, monthly income, senior citizen, saving certificate, 15-year public provident fund, then 5 to 10 years Kisan Vikas Patra, Sukanya Samruddhi account, etc. These are available at the time of saving service. At the time of saving service, these are the particular area which is available at postal services. Then just like bank, post office saving account can also be opened for which checkbook is given. And now there is a facility of ATM card too. That means saving account in postal service, they are working like a banking service. Over there they are providing the saving scheme. Which are the saving scheme? 5-year recurring deposit, term deposit, monthly income plan, senior citizen, saving certificate, then 15 years provident fund, 5 to 10 years of Kisan Vikas Patra, Sukanya Samruddhi account, and even they are reacting like a bank, and they are providing the checkbook, and even right now they are providing the ATM too, just like a banking services. Then recurring deposit. Recurring deposit, meanwhile, according to this scheme, the account holder has to pay the amount as decided on or before the pre-decided date to the post office. See, your one of the date is decided in this particular deposit, recurring deposit. Every month, suppose 1/5, this is the date which is pre-decided. On that date, you should pay your premium amount which is decided. फाइन प्रीवियसली यू आर डिसाइडिंग, जब आप ओपन करने जाते हो ना, एट दैट पॉइंट यू आर सेइंग दैट कि फॉर 5 ईयर, फॉर 10 ईयर आई एम एक्सेप्टिंग दिस रिकरिंग डिपॉजिट. फाइन, सो दे विल आस्क हाउ मच अमाउंट यू आर सपोज टू पे for that much year. That is also pre-decided at the time of contract. Now at the end of 5 year, when the account mature, the entire principal amount along with the interest will received by the account holder. See, you have whatever you have taken the policy for recurring deposit over there, after completion of your 5-year duration, after the maturity period, you will get your full amount which is you have paid as a premium plus you will get the interest as a account holder. Then after 5 year period, if required, the duration of recurring deposit account can be extended for another 5 year. That means if you are happy, you have secure for 5 year. After completion of your 5 year, you are getting 50,000 plus your 10,000 interest. I'm just giving an example. Fine. Plus 10,000 interest you are getting. That means total 60,000. That also you can keep for other 5 year. You can extend your year for other 5 year. Fine. So in recurring deposit, you are having a option to take a policy for 5 years. Inside the same, after completion of your duration, after maturity period, if you want to extend the another 5 year, you can. It is up to your requirement, up to your convenient position. Fine. Then let's see the other. Yes children, now on your screen you can look after the term deposit, National Savings Certificate, NSC, Kisan Vikas Patra, KVP, Provident, Public Provident Fund, PPF. Now see children, term deposit, according to your textual term deposit is just like a fixed deposit. It is just like a fixed deposit scheme which is available in post office. आपने एक बार अपना अमाउंट फिक्स्ड कर दिया, then you are not supposed to touch that amount. जितना आपने ईयर डिसाइड है till that. What are the year which is given by the post office? 1, 2, 3 or 5. 1, 2, 3 or 5. Then for the rupees 200 or in its multiple, you can keep as a term deposit. 200 or its multiple. Interest calculation is done every 3 months, but the amount of interest is paid on yearly basis. See, interest will be calculated, your fixed deposit interest should be calculated after 3 years. That means every 3 years. In a year, how many times it will count? 4 times. 3 multiple of 4 is equal to 12. And you will get the interest yearly basis. Every 3 months they are counting, and you will get at the time of year, basis on year, completion of year. That means 3 multiple of 4 is equal to 12. That means your interest should be count 4 times in a year. Then this account can be transferred from one post office to another. Suppose you are shifting anywhere, so you can transfer your account from one post office to another. Such an account can be closed anytime before the maturity period. One of the good thing is there about term deposit, you have taken the term deposit year 5. 5 year you have selected, fine. But after 2 or 3 year, you need amount for any of the purpose, for to get married of your daughter or your son or your study, etc. Any situation, if you need amount before the maturity period, your maturity period is 5 year because you have selected that policy, but before the maturity period, if you require to recover your amount, you will get the same. You can close any time before the maturity period. That is the positive thing about the term deposit. Then National Saving Certificate. Now for that, the duration of saving certificate is 5 to 10 years. National Saving Certificate, this is also available in post office. That is why this is postal service. But the duration they are providing to the customer is 5 to 10 year. Fine. And at the end of maturity period of 5 to 10 year, the amount can be claimed by fulfilling the required formalities from any post office. Here you can see one positivity. You are living in Punjab, you are shifting in Gujarat, your whole particular premium payment you have done in Punjab, but right now your maturity period has done 5 to 10 year, whatever you have selected. After completion of your maturity period, the claim amount you will get after fulfilling all the formality which is available in the post office, but you can take your amount of claim from any of the post office. You are there in Gujarat, you are there in somewhere else, doesn't matter. You will get your recovery amount, your claim amount. Then Kisan Vikas Patra. See, you can see on the screen, double your money, पैसा दो गुना करना है 100% सुरक्षित तरीका. अरे वाह, here they are providing the double amount. So see the concept of textbook. The depositor in Kisan Vikas Patra gets double the investment amount after 100 month, that is 8 years and 4 month. 8 years and 4 month total 100 month. You should keep patience. Why you have kept your amount in Kisan Vikas Patra KVP? Definitely you will get 100% double amount, but you should keep patience for 100 month, that is 8 years and 4 month. This certificate is available only for prescribed amount, and after the maturity date, the amount can be claimed by fulfilling the required formality from any post office. Here the same concept in national saving account, just like that you can get your claim amount from any of the post office. Doesn't matter you are shifting or you are leaving that post office, doesn't matter, you can get your claim amount from any of the post office. That is the positivity. But the thing is that you should keep patience for 100 month, that is 8 years and 4 month, and after that the amount should be prescribed. अगर मेरे पास 1 करोड़ है, मैं 100 महीने के लिए रख दूंगी, मुझे क्या 2 करोड़ मिलने वाले हैं, रख दूं? Not possible. So here, because government has to pay the double amount to you guys are customer and you guys are kisan paying 1 crore, not possible. Like, so prescribed amount, that means decided amount which is mentioned in the particular scheme. According to that you have to keep the amount that is depend upon the scheme, and for that after completion of 100 month you will get the double amount whatever you have saved in the Kisan Vikas Patra. Then Provident Fund, Public Provident Fund, PPF. See, your image concept, image which I am reflecting on your screen, compound interest. They are calculating the compound interest. It is tax saving, retirement planning, and low risk about the great return. Low risk about the great return. So here 4 positivity you can see on the screen. They are calculating the compound interest, you are free from the tax, you are free for retirement fund, and there is low risk about the great return. So these are the concept which I am reflecting on your screen. Now switch to the textual term. Any individual can open this account. There is no prohibition. Any individual, any person can open up this account. Now the period or duration of this account is 15 years. The duration is 15 years. Minimum amount they are supposed to pay rupees 500 per annum. Annually they are supposed to pay rupees 500. Annually they are supposed to pay rupees 500. So 15 साल का तो कितना ही हुआ. Fine. Now after 15 years, under the prevailing rules, the duration of this account can be extended by 5 years every time. Again, after 15 years you are facing the maturity period. After that you can extend your year of 5 year, you can extend more every time. Now this account cannot be closed before 15 years. See, term deposit may you can close your account anytime, but PPF is not possible. You are supposed to close up your account within the 15 years, not possible. Then the money deposit in the account is exempt from income tax calculation. Here is the point, you are free from the income tax. Then in the event of death of account holder, the amount will be given to their nominated higher. Whoever is the nominee of the account, जैसे कि I am the account holder, मुझे कुछ हो जाता है तो मेरे जो भी बेबी है, that is my baby boy or baby girl who is a nominee of my account, they will get the amount after my death. फाइन, ऐसा बोलना मत, आई एम जस्ट गिविंग एन एग्जाम्पल. नाउ switch to the other point. So children, today we have done first point journal post, second register post, third parcel service, internal content value payable post, fourth speed post, fifth express saving, recurring, term, national saving, Kisan Vikas Patra, and provident fund, public provident fund. Children, now this is beyond the concept. So in next particular video we'll discuss about the 12th, 13th, 14th and 15th point, that is postal insurance, monthly income saving, money order, other related services. This we will continue in next lecture. Fine. Yes. Yeah, thank you for the day, and definitely for next content for the postal services 12, 13, 14, 15 will continue in next lecture. Thank you for the day children.